If you've been waiting for a gaming laptop that finally gives you real power without draining your bank account, then stop scrolling, because today on Tech Vibe, we're diving deep into one of the most talked about performance machines of the year, the ASUS TUF A18. And trust me, this laptop is giving competitors a very real reason to panic. Whether you're a gamer, a creator, or someone who just wants that aggressive desktop-level feel in a portable body, this might be the machine that changes everything for you. So, stay locked in, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether the A18 is worth your hard-earned money, or if you should skip it. Let's start with what immediately makes the ASUS TUF A18 stand out: size and presence. This is a big, unapologetic 18-inch laptop built for people who want a huge display, smoother gameplay, and a more immersive experience. No tiny compact ultrabook here, this is a beast. The matte metal plastic hybrid chassis feels surprisingly premium, and even though it's part of the more affordable TUF line, nothing about it feels cheap. ASUS kept the aggressive gamer styling but refined it just enough so it doesn't scream teenage gaming setup. It's rugged, certified for military-grade durability, and built to survive heat, travel, accidental bumps, everything a real-world user will throw at it. But the real shocker comes when you open this thing up. That massive display instantly takes over. An 18-inch screen with fast refresh rates completely changes the gaming experience. You see more. You react faster. And when you're editing video or multitasking across multiple windows, the extra real estate actually pays off. ASUS gives you high refresh options that keep gameplay buttery smooth, and whether you're into competitive shooters or cinematic RPG titles, the display delivers crisp visuals and zero lag issues that hold you back. Now let's talk performance, because this is the true reason people are talking about the A18. Inside, ASUS packs the latest AMD Ryzen processors paired with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series GPUs. And these aren't the underclocked versions you sometimes get in budget machines. These GPUs can actually stretch their legs thanks to ASUS beefy cooling. So yes, this laptop has real performance, not just marketing hype. What does this translate to in actual use? In fast-paced games like Apex Legends, Valorant, and Fortnite, you can expect smooth frame rates even on high settings. AAA titles like Cyberpunk and Red Dead Redemption 2 feel shockingly stable for a machine in this price range. And if you're doing 4K video editing, 3D rendering, or running heavy multitasking loads, the A18 handles it without freezing or thermal throttling. This laptop is built for people who push their machines hard. Speaking of pushing hard, we need to talk about cooling, because that can make or break a gaming laptop. ASUS went with a larger dual-fan setup, improved airflow, and a vent design that actually works. Heat stays under control most of the time, especially during gaming sessions. Yes, the fans get loud. It's a gaming laptop, no surprises there. But the important part is that temperatures stay in the safe performance zone, and the laptop doesn't slow down like others in this price bracket. Now let's go deeper into real-world usage, because performance is only part of the story. The keyboard on the TUF A18 is honestly one of the best in its class. The keys are tactile, responsive, and perfect for gaming or typing long sessions. The RGB lighting is subtle, not overdone, and the layout feels natural. The trackpad is large enough and accurate, though most gamers will plug in a mouse anyway. The speakers? They're decent, better than most budget gaming laptops, but not MacBook level. They get loud and they're clear, but if audio quality is a big deal for you, you'll still want a good pair of headphones. Battery life on gaming laptops is usually a disappointment, but the A18 does slightly better than expected. You're not getting all-day performance here, let's be realistic. But for browsing, streaming, and productivity, it survives longer than many competitors. Just don't expect to game on battery power. Plug-in is always recommended for full performance. Connectivity is another strong point. You get multiple USB ports, HDMI, Ethernet, fast Wi-Fi, and enough options to run multiple peripherals without feeling limited. For creators, this makes the A18 a truly flexible workstation. For gamers, it means easy setup for monitors, headsets, hard drives, and everything else. Now the big question, is the ASUS TUF A18 worth it? Here's the truth. If you're looking for one of the best price-to-performance laptops of the year, this is it. It delivers desktop-level power, a massive display, solid build quality, reliable thermals, and the performance you'd expect in machines priced way higher. It's not pretending to be ultra-premium, and that's the best part. It's built to do one thing: give you raw performance without unnecessary markup. It's not perfect, you get fan noise, a heavier profile, and a design that leans more gamer than professional. But if you value power, screen size, and long-term durability, the A18 is one of the smartest buys you can make right now. Before we wrap up, here's the bottom line. The ASUS TUF A18 isn't just another gaming laptop, it's a statement. It proves that you don't need to spend $3,000 to get a powerful, reliable machine that handles modern gaming and content creation like a champ. ASUS didn't cut corners where it mattered. And for the price, it's a monster. If you're looking for a laptop that skyrockets your gaming, boosts your productivity, and doesn't choke under pressure, the TUF A18 deserves to be on your shortlist, maybe even at the top. Thanks for tuning into Tech Vibe. If you enjoy honest, no hype reviews that actually help you choose the right tech, make sure to stick around, because more game-changing reviews are on the way. Until then, stay sharp, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next one.